அம்மா காலில் இருக்கிறேன் உள்ள வைக்கிறேன் போடி.
Chapter 4 The Novice Animals. Each day before sunrise, creatures came out from their homes and headed to the great meadow in the center of the island. That was the site of the dawn truce where everyone could safely meet together and chat about the Narcissus sign and the new soon very nearly one was telephone. But on this day, they had a very serious matter to discuss. Gion followed it onto a work searched. The poison tide is coming! The poison tide is coming! Mr. Beaver grunted, pulling yourself together. Gil, you caused a panic. Think about why soon kill what happens in the ocean. I live on Wyland. Super hurted. Because then the water and they are connected. Other animals began calling out. We will be fine. This island has everything we need. I don't even like the ocean. But what about the ones on the coast? The animals grew louder until they were silenced by the robot's booming voice. The sound might be right, said was. There might be a poison tide spreading to the ocean. But I do not think it will need two souls. I think we are safe. Was cut off by needle and torn. The bells will sister and brother. You think we're safe? Go on then the needle. I want you were safe, said Thor. So not that Thor. I understand the concern. Said was, but of the creatures here. Underneath the by greedy birds. I have never left the island, and we know that ocean is turning enormous. It seems that the poison tide could spread to the whole ocean and find its way to us. The poison tide does not worry me, and it should not worry you either.